Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to sign up as an online teacher on Preply. So signing up for Preply is completely free, and basically what you need to do is you need to go to a search engine, to a browser, and search for Preply Tutor sign up, such as this, and then tap on the first non-sponsored link. So as you can see, this link is sponsored and this link is sponsored as well, but tap on this one, Teach Online, Becoming Tutor Online at Preply. Then tap on this link, and as you can see, Teach Online, earn money on your schedule. You can sign up with your own email and you can create a password, or you can continue with Facebook or Google. You can just tap on that. I prefer Google, but that's just a personal preference. And you can tap on that and then select a Google account. And what you need to do then is you need to follow a few steps. So you need to fill in your personal data, your name, your address, why you teach, what you teach, your your hourly rate, your motivation. You need to add a profile picture. You need to add a introduction video. There are a few steps you need to take, but it's worth it. So just tap on this one, and then you can fill in all of your data. It takes about 5 minutes, and then Preply will review your profile, and that takes about a few days maybe. And then you can already teach. So we need to get to students. So that's basically it. I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.